Okay, welcome back to SR Studio. Today we want to learn about drawing the leaves in your Adobe Illustrator. Let's make a new files. Using this size 1080 pixels and 1080 pixels, and then we create. Then we choose this tool, ellipse tool. You can also using L in your keyboard and click and drag, and you should push the shift button for the exactly size, and then release. We change the color to green. Okay, and then we change the stroke to none. After that, we click this selection tool. We copy this with using Alt. You can push and hold Alt button in your keyboard. You can see the changes. Push and hold, and then click and drag onto the right, and then release. Then I will copy it, the other, and you select to circle, and we using shape builder tools, and we remove this using press and hold Alt, and then we click. This is your leaves. Okay, and then I want to make just like branch over here. Just using this, I will change this into stroke and change the color stroke to the white and increase the stroke point to maybe 8, and then put over there, make a little adjustment just like this, and then I will using the this one with tool. You can also use shortcut shift plus W tool, and then we make it small over here. Sorry, make it small, and then in this section I will click and make it a little bigger. Okay, enough. And then after that, we select the stroke and we click object, then expand. Then we will cut this using this tool, knife. Okay, we just click knife and click and just cut. After you cut, you can remove this using this sub, and then you push and click Alt, and sorry, you can select first, and you can using this shape builder tool and Alt hold, click, then you click this and then this. You can combine these two. Then the last, we will make a little adjustment of here. We can change the color too to the green. Maybe this, and then we click over here and we will copy this using Control and C, and after that Control F. Then we make a little adjustment with, we push E in your keyboard and move the point to the up over here, and we drag a little bit. Okay, we got two over here, and using a shape little tool, we just cut this section. Okay, you got it. After that, this is your relief, and we just make a little adjustment for color of gradients. We can make this for click gradient, and we click this. After that, you can choose the color, and then I will select to color, same, and then change the other, make it a little bright. Okay, and then we can adjust the gradient using G in your keyboard, and just make a little adjustment. Maybe I will copy this. I will change this into this one. Oh, I will combine this first with shape build tool. Recombining this and this. Okay, after that we change the color to this. We choose this and hit E button in your keyboard, and we choose the color. Okay, that's it. This is your lid. You can make some improvement, just what you want. Thank you for watching this video, and see you next time. Bye bye.